Are your plain curtains looking a little boring before you go out and spend a fortune on a fancy home decor? What if I told you that a single skein of yarn and a crochet hook could completely transform your room in under an hour? Welcome back to the channel, Stitchers. Today we are looking at over 15 incredible crochet curtain tie-back ideas that range from quick beginner wins to show-stopping statement pieces. Stick around until the very end because design number 12 uses a trick you probably haven't thought you have before, and it's total game changer for heavy drapes. Let's dive in. Let's kick things off with the simple elegance in the short on the time or just starting out. Minimalist cord designs are your best friend. First up, we have the I-cord classic using thick cotton yarn or t-shirt yarn. An I-cord gives you a sturdy, clean rope effect. Pair it with wooden beads and oversized tassel at the end to give that effortless boho vibe. Next, the check is out the textured chains tie. By using the puff stitch or herringbone double crochet, you get an intricate chunky look without needing a complex pattern. Pro tip: stick to natural beige, cream or sage green tones to make sheer line curtains pop. Now if you look at the category aesthetic, the next category is for you. Floral tie backs and instant warmth and personality to any window. Look at the vines and leaf wrap. Instead of a basic strap, you crochet a long green vine with tiny leaves and wind it around like curtain the ivy. Or go bold with 3D flower essence. Sunflower roses and daisies work beautifully here. You can stitch a flat band for the base, then sew 2 or 3 large layered blossoms right at the center where the tie connects. It's like having fresh flower on your window all year round without the watering. Up next, we have the idea that are absolute magic for kids, rooms, nurseries, or anyone who loves a playful touch. Amigurumi huggers. Instead of traditional tie, these designs feature cute little crochet animals whose long warm wrap around the curtain and snap or button together. Popular designs include hugging monkey, cozy teddy bears, or even a lazy sloth hanging from the drape. These serve a practical purpose while doubling as adorable room decor. If you sell your crochet items at craft fair, these are proven bestsellers, so definitely save this idea for your project list. Remember that secret trick I mentioned earlier? Here it is. With the crochet ring slide, instead of trying a knot or using a button, you crochet a lace mandala sun starboard around a wooden curtain ring. You pull the curtain fabric through the ring, and a crochet pin or a wooden towel holds it in place. It hangs thick, heavy drape effortlessly without stretching out your yarn. And if you love vintage charm, don't sleep on fillet crochet bands. Using thin cotton thread, you can create intricate lace pattern like